guys, nasa Denmark na naman tayo. Dating gawi Martin cannot drive me today kasi nag-concert siya. Nag-attend siya ng concert last night, kaya medyo not safe to drive. But I'm walking. Fuck, ang ginaw. Alam niyo yung feeling na hindi na kayo sanay sa ganito. I mean, first day of work ko today after a month. Tingnan niyo yung paligid. And ako lang naglalakad mag-isa. It's fine, it's fresh air, kaya lang medyo stress tayo kasi baka hindi natin mabutan yung bus. Ano oras na ba? 8:16 ng umaga. Grabe, hindi na talaga ako sanay maglakad-lakad masyado ba? Yung hinga ko. Okay, from slippers to boots na naman tayo. From shorts and t-shirts to jackets. It's fine. It's actually very, very refreshing. Kaya lang, it's so refreshing. Kaya lang, medyo stress. Kasi dapat hindi tayo malate. Andito na tayo guys, bus station. Buti na lang hindi tayo na late. Yeah, mga 5 minutes pa before yung bus ay before yung bus darating, and then medyo kinakabahan ako. I should not be kasi nga taga ko na sa work, pero it feels like first day mo ng work kanyan. Pero excited ako na mag-work again. And you know, makita yung mga workmates ko and all.
No gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Well, why fight it? I was secretly